Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Engineers, or as I'm going to term it, Disaster in Space. Okay, so what have we been doing? We've been continuing our construction of our bigger ship. So we have the bridge module that's now completed. I'm working on a thruster module, but I'm sort of running out of thruster components, so I need raw materials. Specifically platinum, I think, is our problem. We'll come to that later. So the next module is going to be this chap, which is a cargo collector. So similar idea as we had before. It's basically just a big cargo container, but the interesting thing is we've got lots of collectors on the top. So the idea is we'll park this next to where our mining ship is operating, and it will basically suck in all the goodies, put them in a cargo hold, and then feed that down into the next parts of the ship. Now, in preparation for this, I thought, we built the refinery module, and I was starting to use that to get some platinum. So I thought, let's just cut it free of the space station. And oh boy, did disaster ensue. So, you may notice we have moved. That's the asteroid we used to be next to, and this is where we are now. So if you remember where the collectors were, they were just next door to the asteroid. So you can see we flipped. Honestly, I do not know what happened. It just was incredibly unpleasant. So basically we're now more in deep space. Now, I've had to chase after the refinery module, so I've caught it and I've brought it a little bit closer, so it's now under control. So you can see the tug on top is now stabilizing it. So what I want to do is join this onto the big guy here. Right now, I suspect I'm going to have problems getting all the raw materials, so I thought what I'd do is I'd just get the sort of base completed. So I should have enough to do that. So let's get our welding. I'm kind of just doing this by hand just to keep it a bit more under control, so we know exactly what we're doing. So this won't take long, I don't think. So this is really just steel plates we're doing here. Okay. Oh, ouch. Get it away, thruster. Okay, so that's that. So if I pop into here, I should be able to get to the merge block. Okay, so that's what I'm interested in. So I need construction components, motors, computers, and large steel tubes. Okay, let's just get a little more building done. So what I'm hoping to do is just get the sort of base in place, and then dock the refinery block, because I thought that would be quite exciting, or disastrous, depending on what you think. Where the hell is the exit? There we are. Right. Okay. Right. So let's just pop back to the welder. Right. Okay. And just get a few bits and pieces. Right. Okay. Okay. So what are we interested in? We need motors. We need computers. We need small steel tubes. I think we need large steel tubes. And the main thing we need is construction components, which I'm not seeing. Okay, we're all out of construction components. Let's pop over here. Bunk. Oh, come on, game. Right, there we are. Okay, so do we have any in stock? Or are we going to have to make them? Not seeing any. Production, so we're stuck in those. So what we'll do is we'll advance the construction components. those back. So you see, to finish off the big ship, we need a huge number of thrusters, which just isn't feasible at the moment. Construction components. Okay. Right, we're full. That's not enough. Okay, so let's take some more plates out, put these in. I forgot to look how many we need. That was silly. Okay. Okay, we'll leave that to chunter on, and we'll see if this gets us anywhere. Okay, bum 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 bum. Right, you, merge block. That's got it, excellent. Okay. Let's just pop downstairs. Okay. And let's just get these bits all welded. Not interested in the landing gear. We'd actually only just cut it off anyway, so. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. So we need more metal plates. Okay. Where the hell are we? Right, there we are. Okay. Right. Right, well, let's just go get construction components. I think we can probably just weld this using the ship. I think that'll probably be safe. Okay. So let's pop over to the welder. Okay. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, alright, so just dump you in there. Splendid, get in there. Okay, so it's just oxygen we've got. Right, let's just T, parking brake off, whoomph, and along we go. Okay, overshot a little bit. Okay, down. Come on. Right. Okay. So the goal here is to get enough so we can dock the refinery module. So it's really just the base I want. Okay, that's looking good. Oh, come on, game. I think it doesn't seem to like having sort of multiple sessions. So I was in the creative mode a little bit ago, doing a ship design, which I'll talk about later if we have time today. Right, okay. Because we do not have the resources to finish this ship. My one source of platinum is running a little bit low, and by a little bit low, I think I may have mined it out. Now, with the sort of small mining ship I have, I'm not sure I've got the range to get anywhere else. So I've designed a sort of long-range ship, and the hope is that we can use that to get out a bit further in space and oh, ouch, sorry about that, and find a new source of raw materials. That's the kind of idea. Right, I don't want to do too much there. Right, merge block, come here. Now, I need to check if that's actually completed or not. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Right, okay, so welder off. Let's just have a look. How are you? You're completed. Okay, so a docking we shall go. Okay, let me get you well out the way. Well out the way. Okay, so this was the original concept. So we're going to build the large ship in sort of sections and use the tug to join them together. It's actually, I think, much better to use the projector. So what we're doing with the projector is just basically projecting each section of the ship and just moving the projection along, which seems to work a lot better, in all honesty. Right, let's pop over to here. T in there. Right, forward. Let's get this. Okay. Switch the overload dampers off. Okay, so we don't need to turn. This module is fairly much omnidirectional. So basically we just need to move it forward and then slip it into the right. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, so turn this way a little bit, nose up a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now, I have no idea what's going to happen. Will the entire subsystem collapse? I honestly don't know. It's exciting and quite scary. Okay. Let's just slow down. So you can see it's taking a lot of power to move this. Okay. So let's just have a look where we are. Okay, so we want to go there, that way, and we'll go forward. And we'll get to about 1 meter a second. Lock that down. Okay. Right, so this will give me the command module, the bridge. It'll give me one thrust module, but we're missing forwards and backwards thrust. We'll have a collector module, and this is the refinery module coming in. Alright, so after that, possibly the assemblers, maybe some arc furnaces. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Right, looks like you slow. Okay, so a bit forward and a bit right. Okay, bad time to lag game, bad time. Okay, move around. Okay. Right, let's just move it forward. I really don't want to bang into anything. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's fine. So let's start slipping right. Let's slow down. Let's just check. Okay, so we are in danger of hitting her. Okay. That looks fine. Now, I have never done this before. So this is all new, exciting and scary. I do not know how the game handles docking large chunks of ships. It could go, and I suspect will go, horribly wrong. Okay, let's just pop out and see how we're doing. Okay, so... Ooh, I'd forgotten about that. Okay, so we'd left that connector on, but we don't actually need it. So, that could have been embarrassing. Come on. Oh, come on, game. In all fairness, I don't want to blame Space Engineers too much. It's just this is running on a fairly old, underpowered computer. So, not the game's fault. It's sound. I think it's something to do with sound. You'll notice it seems to have a problem whenever sound happens. So I reckon we're just going to get a large clunk in a second. Yep, there we go, so my theory was correct. Okay, so we've undone that. Now, what I would... do I really want to start cutting holes in my ship? I'm going to have to. Right, originally this was one of the first modules I built. And I thought that each module was going to be airtight. So I put in armor walls. I'm changing that now. Because it's much handier to have access, and I think we're going to need access. So let me just cut some stuff away. Come on, and try and do as little damage as possible. Okay, so you can see we've got access now to the conveyors and things like that. I'm going to leave the central block up. Not sure there's an awful lot of room inside here. Let me just check. Are you actually finished? Whoever you are, that's the refinery. Okay, right. Okay, so... Whoa. Are you moving? Okay, right, no optical illusion. Okay. Right, so... Let's just go... T. In we go, come on. Okay, so we'll go a little bit forward just to give us some more breathing space, and then nope, that way, I think, and then right. Let's just check. Okay, looking good, looking good, looking good. Okay. Okay, so that looks to be quite close in that direction. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, pop out the ship. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, down. Okay. So it's really the position of the merge blocks, and that, oh, that's not bad at all. That is not bad. Now, can I actually take control of the tug? Oh, I can. Oh my goodness. And I don't have a remote control in them. Damn. Okay. Right. Okay, memo to self, put remote control in tug. Right, so T V V. Okay, so back. Okay, nose down. Nope. Other nose down. Down. Oh. Okay, let's pop out. Where are we? Where are we? Okay, so. Oh, that's not bad. That is not bad. I don't know how close I need to be for these things to lock. So, T. So, V. Alt. Right. No. Okay. Down, I think. Oh, have we got a clump coming on? Oh, the tension. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Do we have docking? No. But it's not bad. Come on, game. Come on, game. Okay. Right, what's happening downstairs? Okay. A bit of damage there. You wee bitty damaged. Okay, so I do not think they've locked together properly. Okay. Okay. Right. Back into the tug. Right. T view. Okay. So that's not doing what we want. So when will this lock into place? I'm wondering if some surgery is required. Oh, come on. With the tension. Okay. Right, okay. So we've definitely got damage here. Okay. Let's just pop back down to here. Okay, right. When in doubt, start hacking bits off your ship. Right. Ooh. Is that good or bad? Oh, is that now... Has that now docked? Has that now docked? I think that's us. I think we're now good. I think we're now good. I think that is success, ladies and gentlemen. So let's just pop into here. You're good, you're good, everything's lit. Right, so there we are. We have now docked the two modules. Right, okay. So, in theory, if I now move off to the tug, T, unlock, move up. Right, we now have the good ship, whatever the hell we're going to call her, further forward. Right, pop out. 2, 1. Let's just repair the damage a little bitty. There we are. Okay. Right. So we can go in through the side here. We can see the conveyors. These are all linked in. So we go to Captain Weldy. Okay. Oops. Right. There we are. Okay, all very exciting. Right, so thank you for watching this scary operation, getting these two bits of the ship docked together. I'm now wondering if I have a bigger problem in that I don't really have access all the way through the ship. That's conveyor. What's this? That's the refinery. So this takes me all the way through to the refinery. That's fine. This is all the way through. And this is main part. This is the thrust module. Right, okay. Right, so that's something we might need to think about, whether we need to do something about the insides of our ship. Okay, right, well, thank you for watching. We seem to have recovered slightly from that fairly major disaster. Just checking nobody's moving. So join me next time as we see if we can complete our ship, and I'll introduce you to our new small cargo ship. So as usual, thank you for watching.